Hola, ¿qué tal? So we're looking at a example of a 90-word task here relating to school, and we've got a slightly more advanced response to this. So let's have a look at the task. Tu amigo español o tu amiga española va a visitar tu instituto. Escríbele un correo electrónico, menciona. So that's the background to the task. Your Spanish friend is going to visit your school. Write them an email and mention. So it says what the 4 bullet points are that we need to mention. What are those 4 bullet points? ¿Cómo es tu instituto? What's your school like? ¿Cómo compara tu instituto con tu escuela primaria? How does your school compare with your primary school? Lo que piensas de las normas y por qué? What you think of the rules and why? Lo que vas a hacer con Maya en tu colegio durante su visita. What you are going to do with Maya in your school during her visit. Escribe aproximadamente 90 palabras en español. Responde a todos los aspectos de la pregunta. So write approximately 90 words in Spanish. Answer all the aspects of the question. In other words, respond to all 4 bullet points. So let's have a look at this example response now. We can use this to practice our pronunciation and our translation into English, rewinding as necessary. So, hola Maya. Hi Maya. Mi instituto es grande, mixto y público. My school is big, mixed and public. By public we mean a state school, not in the English sense of a public school being a private school, but a state school. Hay edificios modernos. There are modern buildings, pero también hay edificios antiguos. But also old buildings y recién renovados and recently renovated. Aunque no hay ni piscina ni pista de atletismo. Although there is neither swimming pool nor athletics track. Lo peor es que the worst thing is that hay bastante estrés por los exámenes. There is quite a bit of stress because of the exams. Okay, that's our response to what school's like, so how it compares with our primary school. Antes, en mi escuela primaria, before, in my primary school, las clases eran más fáciles. Lessons were easier. Los profesores eran menos estrictos. Teachers were less strict. Y el día escolar era más corto. And the school day was shorter. No obstante, ahora mi insti nos ofrece más oportunidades. However, or nevertheless, Now, my school offers us more opportunities. Y lo prefiero. And I prefer it. Okay, that was how it compares with primary school. Now on to what we think about the rules and why. En mi opinión, algunas normas son justas y necesarias. In my opinion, some rules are fair and necessary. Sin embargo, está prohibido llevar piercings. However, it is forbidden to wear piercings. Notice that's pronounced like the English word as it comes from the English. Y creo que esta norma limita mi libertad de expresión. And I think that this rule limits my freedom of expression. El año que viene voy a hacer el bachillerato. Next year, I'm going to do A-level. Y voy a llevar ropa de calle y muchos piercings. And I'm going to wear normal clothes and lots of piercings. ¡Qué guay! How cool. Okay, so that's the third bullet point about the rules, and on to the final bullet point, what you're going to do with Maya in your school during her visit. El miércoles, durante tu visita, vamos a ir juntas a clase. On Wednesday, during your visit, we are going to go together to class. Lo que más me gusta de los miércoles what I like most about Wednesdays es la clase de ciencias. Is the science class or the science lesson. Porque mi profe es el mejor. Because my teacher is the best. Enseña muy bien. He or she teaches very well. Actually, it'll be he because it says el mejor. Yeah, he teaches very well. Porque relaciona los temas de la clase con noticias actuales. Because he relates the topics of the lesson with current news. Por la tarde vamos a ir al club de fotografía In the afternoon, we're going to go to the photography club, donde vamos a sacar y a editar fotos. Where we are going to take and edit photos. Hasta pronto. See you soon. Hasta pronto.